Consider the probability of spinning the following spinner 2 times. So our spinner has got the numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8 on it. We're going to write down the sample space for this experiment, and we're going to call it set S. So this is going to take us a little bit longer, but it'll be fine. So S equals, so we could do 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, and 5, 8. And kind of, once again, once you realize the pattern, then they're all going to be the same. But when we spin the first time, we could get a 6, and spin the second time, we can get a 5. Spin the first time, we get a 6. Spin the second time, we get a 6 again. Spin the spinner, first time we get a 6 and a 7. Spin the spinner, get a 6 the first time, and an 8 the second time. And that's the same pattern here. That happens with 7s. 7 the first time, 5 the second, 7 the first time, 6 the second, 7 the first time, 7 the second, 7 the first time, 8 the second. And again, continuing that same pattern. 8 first, 5 second, 8 first, 6 second, 8 first, 7 second, and 8 first, 8 second. And if we count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, we've got 16 total. Down here in part B, it says let A be the event of spinning 2 numbers with a sum of less than 13. So again, you saw that on the practice, the original practice. Sum, that means adds to, be 13. We're going to call this set A. And then we're going to just start looking. 5 plus 5 is 10, that's less than 13. 5 plus 6 is 11, less than 13. 5 plus 7 is 12, that's less than 13, but 5 plus 8 is 13. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 6 is 12, but 6 plus 7 is 13, and 6 plus 8 is 14. 7 plus 5 is 12, but all of the rest. 7 plus 6 is 13, 7 plus 7 is 14, 7 plus 8 is 15. And then none of the 8s work, because 8 plus 5 is 13, and then there's 14, 15, and 16. So here's our set A, or yes, let A be the event of spinning 2 numbers with the sum less than 13. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out of a total of 16. And if you remember, if you did the previous practice, if you type that into Desmos, you get 0.375. And the reason that I write it like that, even though in general, if I'm just doing it on my own, I would do 6/16. But if we want to find the probability of not getting a sum less than 13, that's the complement. So all that we have to do is 1 minus 0.375, and when we subtract that, we get 0.625.